Hopefully by the time this video goes up, I will have given birth to baby Pearl, but for now I haven't. I am now a week overdue, and I thought that I would film a quick nursery tour, although probably not that quick because I'm going to chat about where everything's from and what I plan to do with it. And I plan to do several of these over the next couple of years because I think that baby and children's rooms change and evolve to suit their needs, and right now this room is okay for something that I've just like thrown together, but it's not gonna last very long. You'll see why. But I thought it'd be quite nice just to document what we have for now before her arrival, waiting for her eagerly to arrive. It's worth noting that I will try and tell you where everything is from, because whenever people do their nursery tours I always want to know, and if I can't remember I'll research it, and chances are it'll be written in the down bar for you. Okay, so Pearl's nursery actually comes off of our room, which is this way, and it is actually a part of our dressing room, but it made sense for it all to go in here because we have the space, and it means she'll be really nearby to us for the first year or so. So as we walk in, we have this little choose happy thing that I bought in America. This little unit I've had a really long time. It's basically just a dumping ground for things. Down here I just have my tripod and my camera charger because I like to have those to hand. And generally speaking, clean washing gets dumped on here, or like bits and bobs. So right now it's looking quite tidy, but don't let that fool you. This is our bouncer. It's got the modes on to do songs and vibrating, and I picked this up in Mothercare and I liked it because it didn't look too gaudy. Just moving up from the bouncer, we have an IKEA peg set, and on it I've just got some My First Year's dressing gowns, hats and coat from Jules, and these two Cath Kidston bags. Realistically, the baby's not going to be using bags, and these things won't end up here, but this is what I mean about as your baby grows, we'll find our like natural rhythm with what really is going to go there. On the windowsill, we have these little guys. And these two are both lights from Not on the High Street, and I was a bit miffed because the option was to buy the little mini pink ones, and I thought they would be lights as well, but they're not, and that's a bit of a bummer, but they look cute there. This I bought from a charity sale, and I just thought it was super fun and retro and I enjoyed it, and this was a kind gift from somebody that works with Liam that I thought, well yes, we'll get a lot of use out of that. It's a foot finder and wrist rattle set. So the crib corner, at the moment I really like how it's set up. However, I've done this gig before and I can't leave this up when the baby's here. It might be alright for like a newborn having a nap, but she's not going to be sleeping in here for the first 6 months anyway. She's got a snooze pod in our bedroom, and I've really just thrown this together for the sake of decor, I guess, but there's going to come a point where she's going to sit up or stand up and pull on these things, and that's going to be a hazard, so we'll have to find a different place to put all those things. Sorry, I'm so out of breath. Oh, I've got no space in my ribcage for my own lungs, but for now it's going to look like that, and then obviously as she gets older we can lower the mattress of this, but I still wouldn't feel comfortable having all these danglies, but I'll show you the danglies anyway because they're fun. This is a little dress I bought from Boden, and I just thought it was so cute. I felt like it had to be left out. It was too pretty to be shoved in the back of a wardrobe. These are picture frame shelves from IKEA. They are so cheap. I think they're about £5 each. And I've put my own book here because, of course, the baby is a huge fan of women's fiction, especially when it's written by this incredible #1 author. Sparkly Disney Ears, Dogger and Peter Rabbit, just books that I'll read to her. This little fake plant. Somebody was like, you shouldn't have that there, the things will drop. It's fake, don't worry. This cushion I bought from Sass and Bell, but via not Pinterest, Amazon, and I did think it would be a lot bigger, so I was a bit surprised when it came just hand-sized. And then that's not my unicorn because those are classics, aren't they, all those sorts of books. These little like baby cards, you know, that you track their pictures with. And then some books up here. I bought both of these from the White Company, the black and white one and the faces, from Amazon. This was bought for me by Emma. This one Liam and I bought her, and the Forever one also from the White Company. This little guy and this little guy that live in the cot were bought from Craft Fairs. This one has a bigger version, a big sister version, which Darcy has, and this was given to me by a very, very kind viewer at a book signing in, I don't know where it was, the book signing, but she's someone that I've spoken to on Twitter a few times, and very, very sweet. The lights, by the way, are just cheapy battery operated ones, and this garland is also from Sass & Belle that I bought via Amazon. I'll link it below for you. It's not tied on properly, so at some point we're going to have to secure it somewhere better. The cot is from IKEA, and also the mattress is the coordinating one from IKEA, and the sheets are the Len sheets from IKEA. This really, really lovely soft blanket is from My First Years. Underneath the cot, if you can see there, we have a Sleepyhead Deluxe, which my dad and Tina bought for the baby, and on the floor we just have a little softy rug, also from IKEA. Moving over from cot corner, we have the glider and matching footstool. These are both from Mothercare. I ordered these a few months ago, and honestly I have never felt anything better. I didn't have one with Darcy because it just wasn't in the budget, and I'm so excited that this time I got one in here. I'm going to fill these out eventually, she says. Probably never will. Letters to my baby. This is from HomeSense, or goodness knows where, just a standard cushion. As you can see, we've gone for like a bit of a grey, white and blue theme. That wasn't overly planned, it's just sort of happened. I haven't overthought this corner. I just thought, get baby stuff in. Up here we have a lovely lamp from West Elm. This, I really want to put either a picture of me giving birth or in labour, or a picture of all four of us. And then behind here we have one of these grow eggs. It's plugged in down there, and that will tell you if the temperature of the room is okay and provide a little night light as well. So this is an overview of the nursery area. Down here we have my home birth or hospital bags ready to go. I'm hoping for a home birth, but I've got bags packed just in case. And then if you swing round, oh, I haven't shown you this. This is just a little series of ultrasounds I've had for her that we put in a frame, which was quite sweet. But if you swing round like this, hi me, I've got this little station prepared. This is from IKEA. I've had it ages and I keep repurposing it for different things, like a change station. So although I don't have a change, what's it called? A change table? A change table, because I'm just going to do it all over the place. I've got loads of mats and such. I'm all prepared. I've got nappies and wipes, I've got water wipes and Pampers and Mothercare and these Fifi and Friends and nursing pads, and then down here we've got bibs and muslin cloths, and this can be just taken all over the place. And then clothes wise, she has all of this section. As she gets older, she will have her own bedroom that's not just kind of like a half of mummy and daddy's dressing room, but for now this suits because I like that she's really close to me. She's going to be in the snooze pod next to me for the first few months, and then I will move her into here. But yeah, that's it really. It's not one of those like highly thought out ones with a theme and all beautiful like tassels and dazzles in it, but I'm sure we'll get to that point. For now I just wanted to like have something there ready to go, ready for you to come into the world. And I will of course do another one in 6 months and let you know how this has changed and how we're going. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that. I quite enjoy nursery tours, and I will see you next week for another video, potentially, maybe, I'm not sure when this is going up, so my schedule's a bit out, but I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching, bye!